Shanghai is China's earliest and largest industrial city, boasts a rich heritage of industrial civilization. However, with the city's development, numerous old factories has lost their former grandeur. Transforming this erstwhile factory into thriving art centers has emerged as a new trajectory for Shanghai's urban renewal. Please join me on a tour day. Here we go. Space, which was originally occupied by the Shanghai Marine Instrument General Factory, and even further back, served as the old Pudong Custom Factory since 1869, has been a source of tremendous excitement recently. Walking through EKA, you will notice that each building boasts its own unique style, attracting a lot of visitors who come to take pictures in front of them. The fountain and the iconic copper black house serve as the Creative Park's central focal point. A number of shops and restaurants within the park are already operational. Situated just across the water from the copper black house lies the Lambach restaurant, which is an internet-famous restaurant and always draws a queue on weekends. Do you like it? You're welcome to come.